I'm going to delete all this stuff to show you how this is done. So we're not going to create a backup for our functions. The first thing I'm going to do is copy this code. Make sure we have it. And then we'll delete all the functions. So I'm going to open up a terminal. I'm going to apply imp.js, paste in there, close it out. All right, so now that we've got this code saved, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and delete all this stuff. Delete function, delete. Create user function, we're going to delete it. Update user function, delete. Get user function, delete. And then API gateway. Sadly, we're going to delete this whole API gateway view, so delete API. We called it user API, and it's gone. Okay, so now we're back to scratch. We close out these tabs. Everything should be deleted now, and we'll be starting over in the next section and using automation to recreate the DynamoDB tables, the IAM policy, the CloudWatch log groups, the Lambda functions. So I hope you're excited to learn more about automation and how to streamline your deployments and be a more effective serverless cloud developer. I'll see you in the next section. Yeah, thanks.